Hello guys, Steve from Rockwell here. Wanted to make you aware of a very nice bike we have on the sales floor here. It's a 2018 Monster 821, 1,500 miles, going for 10,125. Check it out. So we have the Termi pipes. We have the Rage Cycles tail tidy. And then we have the engine protectors. Rizoma bar end mirrors, Rizoma levers, very fancy. Going around here, we have the spools on the front axle and the rear swing arm actually, which is nice to have. And then Evo Tech radiator and oil cooler guards. This Monster has really got it all. Yep, it's still on the sales floor. So, if you want to snap a super clean, super well spec'd 821 Monster up with only 1,500 miles, I suggest you get down here as soon as you possibly can.